Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. Yesterday we studied about the clever donkey. Correct or not? Short story was given, and then with the help of that story, what you have to do, you have to answer the questions that we did yesterday. Today we are going to start with new lesson. The name of our lesson is the article a and an. Okay, now what is articles? Articles are some what we call they are words which are used before consonants, letters which or the words which starts with consonant sound and the words which starts with vowel sounds. So here in the book it is given the article. Okay, a and an are indefinite articles which do not refer to a particular person, place, animal or thing. What they have told that a and an are which articles? They are indefinite articles. A and an are indefinite. They are indefinite articles. They do not stand before any person. They do not stand before any place. Here it is told that they do not, which do not refer to a when we speak about a particular person, when we speak about a particular place, particular animal, before that we don't refer a and an articles. Here it is told that a is used. A article, there are total 3 articles. How many articles are there? 3. Correct? Before that I want to tell you there are total 26 letters in English alphabet. How many letters are there? There are total 26 letters. From 26 letters in English in alphabets, okay, in English alphabet. In English alphabets we have 26 letters. From 26 letters, 21 letters are consonants. 21 letters are what? Consonants. Now which are consonants? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. They are what? They are consonants. Understood? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Total how many are there? 21. Now remaining 5 are where? Total 26 are there. Then 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. 5 are what? 5 are vowels. 5 are vowels. Which are those now? A. After A, B, C, D, E. E. F, G, H, I. J, K, L, M, N, O. And U. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. समझ लो. There are total 26 letters. From 26 letters, 21 are consonants and 5 are vowels. Now, A article. Here it is told that A is used before consonant. A is used before what? It is used before consonant. For example, a book. Book word starts with what? B letter. So, B is what? Consonant. A book. A pencil. Understood? And with vowels that have a consonant sounds. Now, a Eve. A 1 rupee coin, a union, a useful thing, a European country. In this way, what is told that with vowels that have consonant sound. When we say Eve, it starts with E. E is what? E is vowel. But when we pronounce, when we say a 1 rupee coin or a union, at that time we use a before that. Okay, and an is used before what? An is used before vowels. A is used before consonants and an is used before the words which starts with vowel sounds. Okay, an hour, an egg, come on tell, an apple, Come on, tell. An umbrella, an orange. In this way, A is used before consonant words and an is used before vowel words. Understood? Here it is given now. Fill in the blanks with A and an. Some examples are given here. An is used before a vowel. For example, an apple, an ostrich. With a silent H, an hour. H is silent. H चा pronunciation करायचा नाही. An honest man. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with A and an. We have an hour and a half. We have an hour and a half for play. $100 paise makes a rupee. Okay. Geeta had seen an horror movie at night. Now your first one will what? We have an hour and a half for play. First one will be what answer? An and o. First fill in the blank. Second, 100 paise make a rupee. Oh, second answer will be A. Okay. Third one, Geeta had seen an horror. Now here H is there but H is silent. Geeta had a horror movie. Horror, H, honor, horror. So Geeta had seen an horror movie at night. An horror movie. Pronunciation is taken off O, not H. Fourth one, a cow is dash useful animal. Useful is starting with U. So an will come. The cow is an useful animal. Fifth one, here is an orange. Fifth also answer is an. O, orange. Sixth one, Sita has brought a muffler and a sweater. Sixth one answer will be A and A. A muffler and a sweater. Seventh one, we are looking for a hotel. H. A hotel. A. Eighth one, it took me a year to build the bridge. It took me a year. Ninth one, let us design an embroidered handkerchief. Okay, an embroidered handkerchief. And 10th one, bring me a glass of water. A glass of water. Okay, understood? In this way you have to complete your fill in the blanks from 1st to 10. In this way we have completed article A and keep in mind A article is used before consonant words or the words which starts with consonant. Which are consonant? B, C, D. I told you there are total 21 consonants and an is used before vowel words. So an will be before which words? A, E, I, O, U, and consonant words are which? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Understood? In this way you keep in mind there are total 21 consonants. Before consonant words we are using A and there are 5 vowels. Before that 5 vowels we use an article. Understood? In this way we have completed this lesson. Tomorrow we will study the article. Total 3 articles are there. A and an is over. Tomorrow we will study the article. Okay. Thank you.